I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you see right here, this is my butter. I'm letting that butter come to just a little bit more heat, and then I'm going to pop my shrimp right on there. Stay tuned.
I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. At the bottom of the barrel, the apparel seems different. Clouded visions, I find myself blinded by the prism of the world's light. But I can see past the blight, these are blemishes in small sight. The overall picture bigger than us, but in this world we trust material.
Look at those babies. They look amazing, and they actually smell amazing.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are going to prep this shrimp. As you can see, I already cooked them. They're already ready to go. I actually have some more already cooked in the bag. So what we're going to do, we're going to season these babies up, put them in the bag overnight. We're going to season them with just a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of parsley and butter. And we're going to let these babies just marinate overnight, and then we will start our meal. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, folks. Now we are going to begin the building process. As you can see, we have our waffles set right there. Next, we are going to put on that waffle some shredded cheddar cheese. Now with this cheese, I recommend that you try to cover as much of the waffle as possible, so when it melts, we have it spread practically all over the full waffle. Alright, as you can see, we have our cheddar cheese nice and ready. Next, we are going to layer our shrimp. Alright, we have our shrimp laid down, nice and pretty, looking amazing. Next, we're going to do our jalapenos. Jalapenos laced down, looking amazing. Next, we're going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Alright, there we go. We have our cheese on top, and everything looks amazing.
Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. And as you can see, it looks amazing. So if you like what I've been doing all through my journey on this Kool Zone, please do continue to follow me, push that like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Alright folks, it's time to dig in. Kool Zone out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just threw a little special sauce on top just to give it a little color, give it a little kick, a little spice. And let me tell you folks, it is going to be amazing.
Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, put them diamonds in my chain.